Buhari don't talk say Naija go stop to use petrol and diesel generators come 2060. President of Naija, President Muhammadu Buhari, don yarn say Naija plan to stop the use of petrol and diesel generators patapata by 2060. This one dey part of the plan to achieve energy security for Naija. President Buhari yarn this one for the session to support conservation, climate adaptation, and the just energy transition as part of the US Africa Leaders Summit for Washington, D.C. The summit will get the team building our green future together, can see African and US leaders tanda to chook mouth for how to protect the rich resources for Africa. Anthony Blinken, when be the US Secretary of State, can chook mouth to top clean energy.
Africa will be at the center of the clean energy transition. Its renewable energy potential is second to none. It's home to roughly a third of all critical minerals essential to the technology that will power the clean energy economy. But with nearly half of sub-Saharan Africa's population lacking reliable access to electricity, and the population set to grow to more than 2 billion people by 2050, how that transition is made will be decisive in shaping our future climate. The United States will work closely with African countries as they determine how best to meet their specific energy needs.
President Buhari, when he talked to the participants for closed door talks, in Nigeria now be the first country for Africa to create correct energy plan. President Buhari said the energy transition need $10 billion investment every year for Nigeria to achieve Amwela. President Buhari constantly say make Nigeria dey included for the G7 climate partnership list for the co-creation for just energy transition. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember, see your PVC na be your power. No still I'm giving any politician on election day.